Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. Today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare double chicken hot dogs. These turned out really good. I used cheese without skin sausages for this recipe, and it turned out really nice. Let's look into all the ingredients and get started. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. I'm using skinless with cheese chicken sausages. You can find this in all departmental stores. And I'm also using chicken mince. Chicken mince is also easily available in all supermarkets and departmental stores. I'll be using some hot dog buns, and this is a mixture of chilies, onion, ginger, bell peppers, and coriander. We need some all-purpose flour and breadcrumbs. For the masala base, I'll be using some ginger garlic paste, chili flakes, pepper powder, and garlic powder. Now I'm going to start preparing the chicken mince first. I've heated a wok on medium flame. To the wok I've added butter. This is about a tablespoon of butter. Once the butter melts, I've started to add the onion, ginger, capsicum, green chilies, coriander, and ginger and garlic paste all together, all at once, and I'm going to fry it. We need the onions to turn light brown in color, so I'm frying it on medium flame. I've added the garlic powder, pepper powder, and chili flakes. I'm going to fry all the ingredients. The recipe in detail is posted on my blog, friends. Blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. I've posted a lot of recipes and reviews on my blog. The same recipes are also translated and posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be in the description box below this video. For regular updates, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. All the links are in the description box below this video. I've added the chicken mince to the onions, and chicken mince is not very easy to break it apart and fry. So add the chicken mince and add a cup of water along with salt. So I've added a small coffee cup amount of water, and I've just stirred it, so it's easy to break it apart and fry it easily. Otherwise chicken mince is very sticky, so it will not fry easily, and chicken mince cooks very fast, so you have to be constantly keep stirring it and checking it if it's cooked or not. Otherwise it will turn out to be very rubbery, so make sure you have an eye on this. I placed it on very low to medium flame, and at this point the water or the moisture content which I added has evaporated and the chicken mince has cooked. So check it. If it is cooked, just remove from the flame, otherwise it will turn out to be rubbery. If needed, you can add salt. At this point my chicken mince is ready. Now I'm not going to waste a lot of all-purpose flour. I'm just going to dust all the sausages, since it's skinless, with all-purpose flour and reserve it, because once I do the coating, we need some sort of a base that can hold to the sausage. So that's the reason I'm rolling all the sausages in all-purpose flour. I'll use the same all-purpose flour and prepare a batter where I'm going to dip the sausages in the batter and then roll it in the breadcrumbs. So I've seen many people, they waste this all-purpose flour, so I don't want to waste it. I'm using it all. Now once I finish dusting the sausages, I'll reserve it and I'll start preparing a batter using the same flour. Now to the same flour I've added little bit of salt. You can also add garlic salt and water. I'm just going to whisk it and make sure I prepare a smooth batter. You can also use egg, but I prefer not to waste this all-purpose flour. That's why I'm using it up. Now once I prepare a smooth batter, I'll dip the sausages in this batter and I'll roll it in the breadcrumbs. So spread the breadcrumbs in a plate and reserve it. Now the batter is ready and the breadcrumbs are ready. So I'm just going to dip the sausages in the batter and roll it in the breadcrumbs. Now this is a combination of panko and regular breadcrumbs. Whatever was left over at home, I'm just using it up. You can use just panko or you can use just regular breadcrumbs, but the combination of this panko and the regular breadcrumbs was very nice. I'm going to refer you to use half and half of each, panko and the regular breadcrumbs. So it was nice coating. It was very nice and crunchy. I'm using skinless cheese sausages for this recipe. Now once I finish coating all the sausages with breadcrumbs, I've heated a wok and I've started to fry the sausages in oil. With gentle hands, keep turning it and fry it till it's golden brown in color. Don't turn it right away. It has to fry, but also make sure the cheese doesn't melt and drip in the oil. So otherwise it splutters. These sausages are filled with cheese and I really liked it. So gently you have to keep turning it and fry it till it's golden brown, and drain the excess oil and reserve it on a tissue paper. Now that my sausages are fried, I'm just going to start constructing the buns. So I've cut the bun into half, not all the way through, and I'm going to spread a little bit of butter. You can add veggies on top of it, but I'm using cheese since the sausage also contains cheese in it. Now I've placed the sausages that I fried and I'm topping it with the chicken mince. Now at this point you can top it with onions, or you can top it with shredded carrots, cabbage, lettuce. It's up to you. I'm using just cheese, so I'm just going to grate a little bit of cheese on top and place this in the oven for the cheese to melt. So I'll place it for 2 minutes, that's it. You can put it on the broil mode and do it, but I'm placing it in my convection microwave. So once the cheese melts, it's ready. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes, friends. This double chicken hot dogs was awesome. We really enjoyed it. Do give this recipe a try and post your comments. Like, comment and share. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.